Yo, if you fucking pull my arm, I'm gonna punch you in your fucking face.
Okay. Come on. Let's go. You're not making the rules here. Not how this goes. Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car.
No.
All right. Come on. Sit in the car.
Hoboken, New Jersey. A woman banned from a 7-Eleven. She came back anyway. Officers were briefed before entering trespass notice on record. Multiple prior warnings.
Do you have anybody working with the deputy or anything?
Whatever, go cats?
Yeah. He wants us to put it on a short form first.
What do we have? I don't even know what we have.
She's been told she can't come back here multiple times now. And he wants us to issue it to her. If she refuses to give us the info or she was caught trespassing, then we book her.
We can't secure the vehicle at all.
There she is, right there. Come here. Did you just put that in your pocket right in front of me?
My vape?
Take out what's in your pocket. Did she take that from you guys? Come over here.
So, who called?
Come over here. Stop.
Yeah,
Get away
it's
from
me.
him. Over there.
He's like stay here one by one these this. This is the second time this like a first time this same the officers come in.
Right.
There's a lot of stuff here. He's a big outside. He's
What's she doing exactly?
exactly he's the buy the to put the stuff.
She's
He
trying to-
can no pay.
Okay.
And one just my everyday come in one lady customer.
Okay.
He's the like the angry
So she wasn't allowed back in the store, correct?
yeah, please you try.
And she's not stealing. She just says, okay,
Please,
okay.
Okay.
What's your last name?
Dot.
Spell it.
Put a dot first. Make a space.
There's a space. Spell the last name.
Okay. V.
V? V?
Yes, V.
2 V's?
Yes. V.
Your last name's not 3 V's.
Yes, it is.
You have no ID on you.
But I have
What's
no
it?
fucking idea.
Listen, you have anything with a name on it?
No?
Listen, you're not going over there, okay? Because you're not allowed. You were warned not to come back in the store, and now you're back here. So we need to identify you before we leave, okay? What's your first name?
D.
D is your first name?
Can I just use the bathroom, please?
No, you cannot. What's your first name?
D.
Stop walking
Come
away.
here. If
We
keep
tell you the
doing
third
this,
time, you're going to be
gonna
placed under
handcuffs.
arrest.
Okay.
Okay, we're trying to be nice for you. What's your first name?
D-A-S-H-I-A-N-A.
Is that wrote down?
That's what I have wrote down. What's your last name?
V.
Spell it.
V.
Your last name is not 3 V's.
What's my last name?
Listen, ma'am, come here.
What's my last name?
I don't know. That's what we're asking you.
So I don't know my last
So then
name.
give us something with your identification.
I don't have nothing.
You have nothing in your bag at all.
I
You said
have
you went to the
none.
hospital earlier.
I did not. I walked past and I went to the bathroom. It was sold out.
Sold out of what? What are you talking about?
What do you?
I went to use the bathroom.
At the hospital that the cops made you go to.
They didn't make me do shit.
Okay.
Okay, let's. Where do you live?
I'm Hoboken.
Where in Hoboken?
By the pad.
What's your address?
The pad.
So you live in Pal? You homeless?
Oh my fucking good graciousness. No.
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 Did you think she took anything today? Can you see what?
No, they said she has schizophrenia.
Are you diagnosed with schizophrenia, man?
No, I'm not diagnosed with schizophrenia.
Alright, what's your address where you live in town?
One.
Uh-huh.
Path.
One Pat?
Texas.
One Pat, Texas?
Yeah.
Okay, that's a new address, right? In town.
Yo, I'm not doing this with you. Like, I'm really not doing this with you.
So I'm just gonna be honest with you. It's either you tell us exactly what your name is and where you live, or you be placed in handcuffs and brought in, and we can find out that way.
Okay, so bring me in.
So you want to be placed on the restaurant?
Yeah, like.
She couldn't give her last name. 3 V's. Address: 1 Pack, Texas. Officers needed ID. She made that impossible. In New Jersey, a lawfully detained person must provide their name and address. Refusing is a chargeable offense, not a protected right. Officers gave her one choice: identify yourself or be brought in. She said, "Bring me in." Officers took that as a decision. She admitted having a wallet. She refused to open it. That refusal, on banned premises, gave officers grounds to arrest.
Bring me in.
Well, try one more time. You have ID on
Bring me
you.
in. Yeah, just bring me in. Just bring me in.
Why do you want to be arrested? I don't get it.
I want you to arrest me.
What?
Just arrest me.
Okay.
Because you're not gonna do it, so let's stop playing the game.
Okay.
She's trying to go.
Come on.
Thank you.
You have no wallet in your purse or nothing like that? So how are you gonna buy the stuff with no wallet? No
What
cash.
stuff, bro?
Your stuff at the counter that you were trying
One
to buy.
coffee? Oh my god. You know I'd be rich to buy fucking coffee.
You still have to pay for it.
Huh?
You still have to pay for it.
You gotta be rich to pay for a coffee?
Did you have money to pay for it?
Yes. Why would I not have fucking money to pay for a coffee?
Okay, so you have a wallet.
I do.
You have an ID in that wallet.
No.
You have nothing in that
Can
wallet
we
with your
see?
name
Can
on
we
it.
see the wallet?
No, you cannot.
Please? Why not?
Because it's my fucking shit.
Okay, we need to identify you.
You're not gonna identify.
Okay. I'm out. I'm honest. Come on. Let's go.
106.
Bro, you're not gonna identify. Stop
Start
with your
this.
shit, bro.
Your face on the list. You're walking outside. Give me your purse.
We're gonna have one female 1025.
This down.
Yo, they bring the fucking.
Now your stuff is ours as well, okay? You try being nice.
Get out my bag, bro.
Okay.
Get over here.
Get out my
Somebody
bag.
will pick up her house and bike.
Yeah, tell him to pick up
No,
my bike.
I'll follow.
No, tell him to pick up my fucking bike, bro. Get off my arm.
Oh.
You want to put you in your face?
302. Yeah, you can
Yo,
disregard
yo.
that. I'll just follow front down on the bike.
Come over here.
Okay. Thank you.
Go.
Yo, you gripping my shit a little too tight.
Okay.
Alright, so let go.
No.
Bro, let go.
No.
I'm asking you nicely. Let the fuck go.
No.
Bro, let the fuck go.
Listen,
Not letting
ma'am,
you go.
he's not
It's
gonna
our
let you go.
policy.
So
Not letting you
we
go.
gotta cut this attitude. I don't get it.
Knock him out of here. You're like, this your first day?
No.
Yeah, it definitely is.
We didn't have to go here.
So can you let go of my arm? You're the
It's too late now.
Get the fuck out of my bag,
You
bro.
don't get to make
Too
the
late.
choice.
Yeah, I do.
We asked you simple questions.
Get out
You
my
refused to
bag.
answer.
Get out my bag. Get out my bag. Get out my
I
bag.
expect to see if that's stuff from 7-Eleven because it looks like stuff from 7-Eleven.
Yes, it's stuff fucking 7-Eleven.
Would you
Close
read
my
the
bag,
sleeve?
please. Thank you very much. Bro, there's nothing in there. It's socks, bro. What do you want to do with socks? You want to take my socks? Bro, there's nothing in the bag, bro. Oh my god, you put shit in my bag. You get out. A lip gloss, oh my god.
That little pocket there.
What little fucking pocket? Ain't no fucking pocket over here.
No, it's not.
You just fucked my whole bag up.
Come on.
Bro, put my bag down, bro.
Come on.
Yo, can you put my bag down? Yo, if you fucking pull my arm, I'm gonna punch you in your fucking face.
Okay.
Come
on.
on.
Let's go. You're not making the rules here. Not how this goes. Get in the car.
No,
Get in the car.
no.
All right. Come on. Sit in the car. Sit down. Get your legs in the car. Okay. It's not going to go the way you want it to go. I hope you understand that. Pull her.
Come on, sit down.
Bro, you're mad tight, bro.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Get your legs in the car.
Why?
Because you are under arrest.
I'm not fucking under. Bro, let the fuck go on me, bro. Alright. Watch what happens.
Get your legs in the car.
Come on, man.
Watch
Stop.
what the fuck happens. Watch your fucking back, bro.
106. Transporting one female 1025 to headquarters. 10620 at headquarters, ending mileage 6893.9. Sensational. Come on. Get out.
Onward, don't touch me, bro.
Get out. Come on.
Criminal trespass. Under New Jersey revised statutes. Section 2C:18-3, returning after a ban is trespass. Verbal or written. Officers search the bag incident to arrest lawful without a warrant. Her objection does not override that authority. She threatened to punch an officer during the arrest. Under New Jersey law, that statement satisfies terroristic threats and compounds the disorderly conduct charge. She resisted the patrol car. Under New Jersey revised statutes, Section 2C:29-1, obstructing a lawful arrest is a standalone offense. Transport confirmed. One female, 1025. Headquarters. Processing at HQ. She kept resisting. Officers stayed methodical. Resistance after cuffing confirms the charges. It does not change them. Charged with obstruction of administration of law and disorderly conduct. Released on summons to appear in court. Officers B+. Patient. Procedurally sound. Multiple chances given. Minor note, verbal justification of the bag search on camera would strengthen the record. Subject D. She created both charges herself. Trespass brought officers to her. Refusing ID turned a civil matter into an arrest. She asked for this outcome. Store management A. Prior bans documented. Police called promptly. Full cooperation. That documentation made the trespass charge hold. Key lesson. Refusing to identify yourself in New Jersey does not protect you. It gives officers grounds to arrest. Silence is a right. Fabricating information is not. Subscribe for weekly bodycam breakdowns. Drop a comment. What sentence do you think she deserves? See you in the next one.
Get that out of your hands.
Oh, my lip gloss. Ooh,
Yep.
fucking move. What you fucking do, Daddy?
Let's go.
Weird. Bro, can you wait 1 second, bro? You can go in. This way.
Yeah, fine.
Don't fucking touch me, bro.
Stop. Cut it out. Just face the wall.
Bro,
Don't need to get like
fucking
that.
touch me. Bro, can you let go? Like you're squeezing
No.
my arm. Oh, squeeze my arm. Have a fucking D. What the fuck is this?
Come on, face the wall.
I'm not fucking. What are you talking about? Italian? I don't give a fuck. Can I talk?
You can talk. You
All right,
gotta
so
face
let
the
go of my
wall.
arm.
No.
Can I talk?
You can talk. Face the wall though.
All right, so let me talk.
Then talk.
So get your hands off me.
No.
So are you not good? I'm not talking.
Okay.
Fails to give proper information, it can't be verified. You put her in the Jane Doe automatic, she goes on a warrant.
Okay, that's fine. Hello? Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god. Are you fucking good?
Okay. Face the wall. And then Cuffy, put your hand on the wall. On the wall.
You know you being mad aggressive, right?
Nobody's been aggressive with you.
Okay, you've been ripping my fucking shit all fucking night long.
Sit down.
Okay, I will sit down when I fucking feel comfortable. Like, what are you doing?
Give me a Pull your sleeve up.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Bro, I said no.
Okay.
No. No, make me.
Okay.
Make me. Nigga, make me. Fuck out of here. Oh yeah, you all broke my nose. Fuck you up. Doing the fucking most. Ow. Bro, stop. Stop. It don't, yeah, it will fucking hurt.
I'm gonna come to the bench. Deactivating.